Your next car could be the 2014 Ford F-150. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 80,000 miles on the odometer. This rugged F-150 is ready for work, off-roading, or a little R&R. Military-grade aluminum alloy and high-strength steel give this full-size pickup the advantage of being both light and strong, so much so that it delivers class-leading towing and payload capabilities. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, four-wheel drive, fog lamps, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth connection, steering wheel audio controls, passenger adjustable lumbar, stability control, split bench seat, pass-through rear seat. Don't miss the opportunity to get into this F-150, the pickup that's at the head of its class. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.